with just a push of a button. You will craft chocolate shells, fillings and bases with this specialized machine for your products. Delve into chocolate decoration with the Artisan Chocolate Chain product line. A new improved production line for automated cookie and sandwich biscuit manufacturing that will satisfy bakery owners. Ideal machine for filled cookie production. Counting and weighing gummy candy filling machine. This device is not simply a regular filling machine, but also has the ability to automatically count the number of marshmallows by weight. The Marshmallow Maker is the indispensable secret of the world of sweet candies. It's like a dancer performing, cutting each slice of bread with the same meticulousness and delicacy as an artist cutting each slice of wood to create a sculpture. With this model, you will open a new world where creativity has no borders. Not only does it help you fold, roll, fill, decorate, cut, and punch cakes easily, the machine has the ability to produce unique cakes such as bread rolls, pizza, donuts, and other products. High-quality thin powder. Many cakes are like precious gems, with a soft crust and a fresh, sweet filling that smells like your lips. In the hands of a craftsman, this tool becomes a machine to create beautiful walls. Let's take a moment to be grateful to these hardworking masters who mobilize their labor to create wonderful works. He is truly a creative genius in his field, especially the way he uses bricks, not only as a building material but also as a living picture, a symbol of creativity, creation, and spirit. In the light of creativity, he is not simply tearing up the floor, but actually creating a masterpiece. When faced with termite-infested wooden door legs, this is truly a difficult challenge. Apply effective anti-termite measures, such as anti-termite paint, or use specialized glue to protect, and increased durability. Thank you for embarking on this educational journey with us as we explored industrial food machinery. Your support means the world to us, so don't hesitate to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Keep an eye out for our upcoming Go Tech videos, where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of technology. Until our next encounter. Wow! The juicer is also great. Just watching the video makes me feel refreshed. I wish I could eat spicy food more often. It's so fun. I will make and eat it. How sticky it is. You look right at it, and you can't look away. Great squid. It's wonderful to see how rich the sea brings us. It's amazing how the blue claw crab turns into a Dungeness crab like magic. Perfectly cut, divided and decorated vegetables like celery, corn, and even bell peppers. See the detailed cutting process with the multi-core 4B. This might be the most modern automated packaging line for bread, biscuits, and confectionery in the world.